casings start to build up and you start seeing some nutrient-rich soil down there, then, oh, they call it black gold. It looks like really great nutrient-rich soil. What you can do is put this on top of it and then do a new bedding. And then that's when the worms will rise up. And then you can lift this out and take out the worm casings in nutrient-rich soil and then do it all over again. And then you continue to compost and then again and then again. And so that's the purpose of this. And that makes it easier than having to dump it out and separate all the worms, which is what I'm about to do with my other composting bin. So I'm doing all this work now to make it a lot easier for later. So, okay, you'll see that I have a bunch of paper and actually have a bucket. This is the bucket of composting soil from my friends, my coworkers' compost. It before, which worked for a little while, but it didn't really break anything down. I was not using worms at all. So I really was just throwing my scraps in here. Let me show you what this looks like. I was just throwing my scraps in here and bringing it to my coworker's house, who she has a big old compost. And so I've only had these worms in here for maybe like a few days, and like I said, I got them from Walmart, so I don't even know if they're alive. I did not look into quality worms, so I did just recently order 1,000 worms, a pound of worms from Uncle Jim's Worm Farm. They're red wigglers. So what I want to do here, this is going to be kind of messy. I want to pick out the worms, but I do have some food waste in here, and I have this bucket here, and then put the worms in there, which this is bad. You're supposed to break these things down. Worms cannot eat whole foods like that. This should be cut up, so I'm just going to rip this up. They should be in much smaller pieces than this. So that's my bad, but that's also because I haven't been using worms, so I haven't been in the habit of breaking things down. Oh, look it, I see one. Hi, baby. Ah! Oh my God, they're in here. They're actually alive. Worm Farm can help me out, because these guys are like sleeping, but they're alive. So I'm going to put the food waste on top. Thanks for watching. This is Tatiana from Fresh Green Tea.